Ready to play it safe and test out those shiny new NetSuite features without the risk of breaking your live system? Alright, let's dive into refreshing your NetSuite sandbox. First, navigate to the Setup menu. You'll find it at the top right of your NetSuite dashboard. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, go to Company, and then select Sandbox Accounts. This will take you to a list of your existing sandbox environments. Locate the sandbox you want to refresh. You should see a refresh option next to it. Be absolutely sure you're selecting the correct sandbox. Refreshing the wrong one can lead to headaches. Click the refresh button now. Pay close attention. You'll see a confirmation screen with some very important warnings. Read these carefully. Refreshing overwrites all data in the sandbox with a copy of your production data. This cannot be undone. Next, you'll see sandbox refresh options such as choose what to copy account customizations, or copy account customizations and usage data. Check these boxes according to your needs. Be sure to consider the time it takes to refresh your sandbox based on whether you are copying usage data or not. These refreshes can take several hours. Once you've reviewed everything and are absolutely certain, click the Start Refresh button. NetSuite will begin the refresh process, and depending on the size of your database, this could take a while. You can monitor the progress of the refresh from the same Sandbox Accounts page, and you'll receive an email notification when it's complete. Once done, log into your refreshed sandbox and start testing those new features with confidence.